Everyone, this is part 2 of the Cumberland Valley Railroad. What I'm going to show you here is the Cumberland Valley Railroad Station. It is now the Public Opinion, which is now our local newspaper. Railroad tracks went down through there to the shops. Train tracks used to be right here on 4th Street. This is the station itself. Then they moved them back to the High Line, which is now Norfolk and Southern, which used to be the N&W. This building is actually quite large. I didn't know it was this big. I'm not sure how far it went back in here, back in the heyday. That's an old door there. Just driving around the building here, so you guys kind of get an idea of the size of it. Looks like it's all natural. It's hard to tell what went back, what was all back in here. This is the Cumberland Valley Railroad Station. Part 2 of the video. Sorry for the camera moving around. I'm driving and taping at the same time. This would be the back of it. Which again is now our local newspaper company. Never mind the sign of me going out the wrong way, alright? You guys will not see or hear me do that. And I'll drive up here. Again, I'm sorry, this is 3rd Street, not 4th Street. This is 3rd Street where the train tracks used to run on. And to my left, that's where it goes down to the station on part 1, or the roundhouse and back shops. This is where the train tracks used to ride on. And once we get up to the stoplight up here, I'm going to end this video and I'll start part 3 of this video. Again, this is the Cumberland Valley Railroad in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania.